What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're heading on over to Speed Zone for a car show. I'm not exactly sure the name of this event, but by the time this video goes up, I should have the name for the title. So I'm gonna head on over there. I'm still in the rental. Still on the last leg of getting the car repaired. So the Ultimate should be back here pretty soon. It might be 2 or 3 videos until that happens, but definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there now. Alright, so just got here, parking in the front, and we're about to go around. Quite a few cars here. Always good seeing this in person. Hold up 1 second. Look at that. Look at this color. Got that underglow. That's pretty bright if you can see it in daytime. Right. pretty much gonna do it for this video. We kind of got all the show cars and everything. Leaving a little early, I think 2 hours early. It's just a bit hot out here, and we got everything we need, met up with the homies and everything. So don't forget, link to the merch down in the description below. And I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.